Floodwaters might look harmless, but they're a hotbed for leptospirosis. When the rain pours down, so does the risk. Avoid floodwaters if you can. If you need to walk through them, suit up with rain boots or waterproof gear. Follow the DOH's guidance. Take 200 milligrams of doxycycline weekly or 24 to 72 hours after exposure as prevention. Red eyes, fever, or dark urine showing up? See a doctor immediately. Your kidneys will be grateful. Wading through without protection is like risking your health. Keep an eye on pets too. They aren't immune. Wash their paws if they've been in puddles. If chills or muscle aches arise, getting medical help fast is crucial. Taking small steps now can make a huge difference for your well-being.